welcome to our channel. I am Deepak. Today I am here to present you one of the topic on the cognitive radios. What are the cognitive radios? This is one of the emerging technology in wireless communication. Cognitive radios are basically the utilization of frequency spectrum, right? So there are basically, what exactly the concept of it is, that there are basically two type of user, primary user and secondary user. In short, the primary user, when not using their spectrum, they are allocating the algorithms, those are allocating that particular spectrum to the secondary users for the uses. That is basically the concept of cognitive radios, so that any of the spectrum can be utilized for the timely communication. Firstly, let's have a look what exactly we have done in this code. In this, basically we have implemented the cognitive radio frequency spectrum system, in which the spectrum is being analyzed by using the algorithm, that is gray wolf optimization. So optimization algorithms are what I will let you know once this code will be run. Primary users are being there, secondary users are being there. If any of the primary user spectrum is free, then GWO is will be analyze the things, and by providing the best quality of service, the spectrum will be allotted to the secondary users. Those quality of service factors can be, number of factors are there. For example, as you can see here, what we have implemented the GWO. This is the as the fitness is being used here is the power. So as the iteration are going to be increases of the GWO, the power consumption is going to be reduced. And if it is compared with another algorithm as SMO, GA, SA, then our power consumption is very less. Even I have done it for the multiple quality of service factors, as this is one of the case where we have done it for the throughput. When I'm running this code, it will process the code, and you can see the throughput that is analyzed is basically 0.16 of the GWO. This is basically that how much throughput is being utilized, right? So least the throughput is being utilized from the main spectrum, better will be the performance. For that, you need to read in detail for the cognitive radio spectrum analysis systems. So the optimization algorithm, what exactly that is doing? So if I'm running it again, it will run and will give you the results by changing the output. So the main algorithm, the main funda behind this is to analyze the system by the quality of service factors. Those quality of service factors are power consumption, throughput, delay, spectrum use, and many other, right? So we have implemented it for all the factors and did analysis with the traditional technique to prove that our system is much effective with respect to the previous techniques. So spectrum analysis is one of the trending and emerging technology in the cognitive radios, the utilization of the frequency spectrum for multiple applications. So I hope you people like this video, and this is going to help you in your research work for the wireless communication. For more details, you can contact us directly and can get the ideas. Even more modifications are possible in this, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.